In this video, we have something amazing and interesting for you, an advanced AI-powered digital calculator website designed to handle all your mathematical needs like sums, percentages, profit and loss, and more. The best part? Even you can create this type of AI-powered digital calculator yourself. Yes, it's absolutely possible to build such an amazing website without any coding knowledge or technical skills, completely free. So stay tuned as we show you exactly how it's done.
So first, we head over to Replit.com, a powerful online platform that lets you create and run websites and applications right from your browser. Replit makes it super easy for anyone build amazing projects quickly and for free. Now go ahead and click on Sign Up to create your free account. Now, simply continue by signing up with your Google account. So this is our Replit main dashboard where all the magic happens. From here, you can start creating websites, apps, and many other projects. And right here, we have our prompt box where we'll be writing or paste our prompt which we want to generate. So this is our prompt minus create a modern AI-powered digital calculator website with an advanced, catchy title name that can perform percentage calculations, profit and loss computations, and all basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The website should have a clean, futuristic design with well-distributed sections for each calculation type, ensuring an intuitive user experience. Use a sleek dark theme with gradient combinations of black, red, purple, orange, and white for an eye-catching interface. Include stylish headings, interactive buttons, and a responsive layout for both desktop and mobile devices. The prompt is fully defined now, covering everything we need for our AI-powered calculator. After entering it, simply click on the Start Chat button, and Replit will start generating. Now the processing is going on, and Replit is quickly generating our project. It has even created a catchy title for our website, Calc's Genius. The best part? It's super fast, and in just moments here we can see our codes are generating step by step, and the best part is that Replit handles everything automatically. It will generate all the required files and code without any problems. Now you can see our homepage is ready to view. The AI has built our calculator website just like we wanted with a clean and modern design. If you see an approval plan option here, simply click on it. This step ensures that your project runs smoothly without any interruptions. Now, the page is in full preview mode, and the homepage of our website is looking pretty impressive. The gradient color combination also looks great. But we can't use it just yet. We need to wait until the processing is fully completed. Now, here we can see all our codes and files being generated, everything needed to make this website fully functional. Once the process is complete, it will show a message indicating that it's ready to use. The processing is still running, and now we can see that our agent is ready. All the files and codes are successfully generated. This means our website is now fully set up and ready to use. So let's check out its functionality and see how it works. We'll test each feature of our AI-powered calculator step by step. Here we have three main sections on our website. The first is the basic calculator, where we can perform simple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next is the percentage calculator, which offers 4 different types of percentage calculations. We'll try each of them one by one. And finally, we have the profit and loss calculator, designed to make those computations quick and easy. So let's start by checking its functionality with the basic calculator. We'll try out a few simple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to see how well it works. The basic calculator functions are working perfectly. All operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are running smoothly without any errors. So now let's head over to the percentage calculator section. Here in the percentage calculator, the first option is what is X% of Y. For example, we entered 2% in the X field and 60 in the Y field, and after clicking calculate, it gave us 1.2, which is correct. You can try it yourself to verify. The next option is change percentage. Here we entered 30 as the initial value, X, and 50 as the new value, Y. After clicking calculate change, it showed plus 66.67%, which means the value increased by 66.67%. Now, the next option is what percent is X of Y. For example, we entered 5 for both X and Y, and after clicking calculate, it gave us 100%, which is correct since 5 is exactly 100% of 5. Now, let's change our Y value to 10 while keeping X as 5. After clicking calculate, we got 50%, which is correct. 5 is half of 10. And here we have the last option in the percentage calculator, the tip calculator. This helps you quickly calculate tips based on the amount and percentage you choose, making it super handy for quick calculations. The functionality of the percentage calculator section is perfect. All the options are working smoothly and giving accurate results. So this is our last section, the profit and loss calculator. The color design of this calculator is really superb. The dark theme with gradient combinations gives it a modern, eye-catching look. And most importantly, the results are accurate, making it both functional and visually appealing. Finally, we've checked all its functionalities and everything is working accurately, so yes, we've successfully created our very own AI-powered digital calculator, and if you want any changes, you can easily go to the message box, type in your thoughts or ideas, click send, and within a few seconds, you'll get the updated version of your project. For example, let's say we want to change our title name color. Just type that instruction in the message box, click the run button, and within seconds, you'll see the title color updated and looking even better. You can do this for almost anything you want to customize.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.